国际消息，咱来看，伫咧美国纽约有一个查甫人，伊伫咧地铁的车厢内底，说是超工甲赖达去互倒，去烧一个查某人的衫角，落尾手怎安尼甲伊烧死？警方接到报案，伫咧8点钟内是随掠到这个人。
美国纽约市警方掠这查甫人，当地时间2日早起7点半左右，最济同一帮 F 线地铁坐到尾站的女乘客犯残酷的放火案。
As the train pulled into the station, the suspect calmly walked up to the victim, who was in a seated position at the end of a subway car. The suspect used what we believe to be a lighter to ignite the victim's clothing, which became fully engulfed in a matter of seconds.
车站内底巡逻警方赶到现场，看到一个人徛在车厢内底全身着火，先用灭火器拍发火势，受害者依然不幸当场死亡。
Unbeknownst to the officers who responded, the suspect had stayed on the scene and was seated on a bench on the platform just outside the train car. And the body-worn cameras on the responding officers produced a very clear, detailed look at the killer.
警方迄一天一报公布嫌犯影像，3个中生伫另外一个地铁顶悬认出伊，而且报警。当局伫案发了后，差不多8点钟将伊抓到。警方本来认为案发时阵有人伫车厢内底困，不过即马家人认定伊是无振动。纽约市警局运输局长古洛塔讲，放火进前2人无任何互动，警方无认为因是熟悉。目前将这案件看作是凶杀案进行调查，凶手是伫2018年为瓜地马拉移民到美国。详细新闻还未公布，公司新闻是非常便宜。